Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: your exploration level and available inventory space. Without both, attempts fail. Once checked, equip a prospecting tool that gives a 0.51 efficiency boost to increase node yield. Next, open the world map and mark Heliolite spawn zones plus the closest fast travel point so you can cycle runs quickly. Begin moving toward the nearest marked zone, scanning for subtle visual cues and sensor blips. This first push positions you to find the resource efficiently. Once at a spawn zone, time your search to the zone's active window and use alternating sweep patterns to cover ground systematically. Sweep left, then right, and sprint short bursts to refresh node spawns. Make sure to use your prospecting tool actively. Deploy pulses and miniscans every 20-30 seconds because they reveal shelled or hidden clusters. Also interact with nearby environmental triggers, crystals, beacons, or thermal vents, as those often expose the richest heliolite veins that passive searching can. When you find a node, prioritize high-purity veins and extract using precision tools to maximize yield and minimize breakage. Once you have a full stack or inventory pressure, deposit heliolite into your stash or sell to a vendor immediately so you can continue farming without interruption. If nodes fail to appear, reset the area by fast traveling away and returning, or by toggling the day-night cycle to force respawns. If problems persist, verify tool condition and that you're within the correct zone's active time window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.